A Dremel tool is a remarkably versatile device, capable of tackling a wide range of projects. When it comes to cutting through plastic, the answer is yes. A Dremel tool can indeed cut through various types of plastic with precision and efficiency. However, achieving clean, safe, and accurate results depends on selecting the right attachments, understanding the properties of the plastic you're working with, and following best practices to avoid common pitfalls. First, it's important to consider the type of plastic you intend to cut. Plastics can range from thin, flexible sheets like acrylic, polycarbonate, or PVC, to thicker, more rigid forms such as ABS or hard plastic casings. Each kind behaves a bit differently under the blade, and knowing what you're working with helps you pick the right tool and speed for the job. Dremel tools are compatible with a variety of cutting accessories. For most plastic cutting tasks, a high-speed rotary cutting wheel or a multi-purpose cutting bit is ideal. These attachments slice through plastic cleanly and are designed to minimize melting, which can sometimes occur when friction heats up the material too much. If you're working with thin, delicate plastic, a fine-toothed cutting wheel or a plastic cutting disc can help you make precise cuts without cracking or chipping the material. Preparation is key for a smooth operation. Before cutting, mark your intended line on the plastic with a marker or masking tape to guide your cut. Secure the plastic firmly to your work surface using clamps. This ensures stability, prevents slippage, and allows for greater accuracy. Always wear safety goggles and a dust mask, as cutting plastic can produce fine particles and fumes. Once you're ready, select an appropriate speed on your Dremel tool. For most plastics, a medium speed works best. High speeds can cause the plastic to melt, clogging your blade and leaving rough, uneven edges. If you notice the plastic starting to melt or gum up, lower the speed or take short breaks to let things cool down. Let the tool do the work. There's no need to force it through the material. A steady, gentle hand will result in a cleaner cut and reduce the risk of damaging your project. As you cut, keep the tool perpendicular to the surface for straight, even lines. If you need to make curves or intricate shapes, take your time and move the tool slowly. Dremel tools excel at detailed work, making them ideal for cutting out stencils, modifying enclosures, or crafting custom shapes for DIY projects. After the cut is complete, you may notice some rough edges or burrs. These can be smoothed out using sanding drums or grinding stones, which are also available as Dremel attachments. Lightly run the sanding tool along the cut edge until it's smooth. This not only improves the appearance, but also eliminates sharp edges that could cause injury. In summary, a Dremel tool is perfectly capable of cutting through plastic, provided you choose the right accessory and approach the task with care. Whether you're modifying a plastic part, creating a custom piece for a project, or simply making repairs, Dremel's flexibility and precision make it an invaluable addition to any toolkit. Remember to work slowly, stay safe, and don't rush the process. Your results will reflect the care you put into your work. With patience and the right technique, you'll discover just how effective a Dremel tool can be for all your plastic cutting needs.